Now, the video today is about getting off our butts. Get up, walk around the house, and discover our house and see what we can find to sketch to get inspired. And with that, you will advance so much faster and you will learn so much more if you do this. So that's what this video is about. Okay, so this is our first stop. When I see this table and I'm looking for, remember, we're looking for something to sketch. So we had to get into that mode too. What can we find here to sketch? Can we find something? Of course, I think there are enough objects in here where we can find something that is going to become our sketch. And you can do it from different angles. You can do it from a very low angle like this. You can do it from, above, and walk around. Just look for the shapes that you're seeing. In this case, the bottle and the flowers, the book, the frames, and once time we walk around, we think, okay, I kind of like this light better, and you go for it. So, for instance, here we have very bright light on the side of the books, right? Whereas from this other side, and you can do both sides if you want to, but here we don't see it. It's not as where am I at? here you don't see it as much because it's not in direct sunlight, or this light come from outside. So that is what you can do. Just walk around and see what you can find. Okay, so here could be an arrangement, and you can just do the bottle and set on the books and the leaves, or or you can include the frame if you want in the background, and then you can just paint a solid background or sketch a solid background. You don't need to worry about being so literal about what you see. So, and then you can move around trying to find the same idea, with the same concept. Pay attention to the values in the leaves, pay attention to the highlights, see if you can see something that kind of like say, this looks interesting. And I think if we do a little bit of a close-up on the bottle, on certain light, we're going to see that it has a nice reflection inside, you see, or deflection, but more like than reflection. As a matter of fact, it's both there. So you can look for something like that and see if you can draw that. Challenge yourself. You don't have to do the whole scene, just part, maybe just the bottle and the book, and the frame in the background if you want something else. But that's how you can find an idea of what to do next. Okay, so here's another idea. My working table here. See if we can find something, to sketch. See how we can make an arrangement so it will be pleasant to the eye and we'll be happy with the sketch. And remember, try to look for simple things. Don't complicate yourself too much. That is part of the exercise too. Okay, so here could be something right in there. I think that would be it will make kind of like a nice composition. You can even move this part a little bit farther into the frame in the back, so that way it will create sort of like a nice L composition. And or also you can just go from there, and you can start adding, if you want to, this the magazines, and just kind of cut your composition right about here. So there's another idea of what we can do indoors. And here's another one. I have a series of a couple of cups with brushes. There's some sketches in the background, a little painting in this nice bottle, beautiful, with the green it could, here you can find several ideas for a sketch, more than one or two. The key to it is just to move around, and also remember to look at the same scene if you can during the morning, afternoon, and evening, because it's going to change. The light is going to change, so you might find something that will inspire you more if you just check those times of the day and see what happens. But you can be inspired just by looking at certain, just the battle to me with the leaves, the way they fall. And I don't need to put everything in the background. But, just like I said, you just simplify, have to learn to simplify. How about the kitchen? Another place where you can find tons of ideas here to get inspired, what to sketch. Remember, we are sketching even here. Even this could become a nice, motif for another sketch. So don't forget the kitchen. When you put in your mind, then that's what you're searching for. You're going to find very easy. You're going to start finding subjects to sketch. Okay, fruit, another subject. Then we can, sketch. Also, maybe if we look here, look what a beautiful bud this is. We can move this out of the way. We can replace it by this. Maybe we can open it and we can place it in a certain way where it's going to look kind of nice, just to sketch, a drawing. Move it around, see where the light's at. If you like that, maybe you just want it just like that. If you want to start simple, that would be nice. You want to start simple, that would be nice just by itself. So, as you can see, we can find inspiration all over the house. And we didn't go to the bedroom, we didn't go to the garage, we didn't go to the front porch where, we can find tons of more ideas. So really, my message here to you is to get out of that chair and that little corner where you always sketch. Just get up and live it a little bit more. Enjoy it a little bit more by discovering your own home, because it's amazing how much you can create out of your own house. Years ago, when I was doing the gallery work and I was doing nothing but oil paintings, you have no idea how many paintings I saw from the stuff that I found in my own house. And I'm not going to say, no, just here, get up and go and sketch whatever you're going to say. No, but for the enjoyment, for yourself. So I hope you're going to get the message. I hope you're going to get off that chair and get your pencil and notebook, a sketchbook, and start looking around with your artist glasses on. Till next time.